Hello, today I'm going to show you how to quickly convert 3D geometry file into 2D mesh with the help of SDC Verifier. First and foremost, you have to import the geometry file. To do so, you go to Open, Import, Geometry, and pick any step file or other geometry type file to be processed. We already have a small piece of geometry imported, so we will continue from here to convert it into mesh. To do so, you go to Geometry tab, select Mid Surface, select Automatic, and pick the method. You pick on Solid, select the solid that you would like to be mid-surfaced, and then define the target thickness, and maybe combine mid-surfaces if you want to combine multiple solids in a single command. You press OK, and the mid-surface is created. In Home tab, you can refresh the model, and then go to Model, Geometry, to see that mid-surface of solid 29 has been created. You can hide the solid itself and start meshing. In the meshing toolbox, you select Mesh Surface using the mesh attributes with rectangular elements with the mesh size of 0.01, and that's pretty much all the parameters you have to define. Then click on Select, picking surfaces, and mesh is automatically generated and ready to be used for your FEA analysis.